vocab, get out the way. Get out the way, books, get out the way. Move, vocab, get out the way. Get out the way, books, get out the way. Oh no, another speaking unit. About time to get my cards out. Remember to ice, guard your grill. There's something wrong. We need exceeds.
I've been thinking and writing too. I've been practicing too. You. Dally got a Glock in his Rari, and if Ross jumps in, oh girl, we won't get A's.
Causing confusion when I speak. It's not an illusion. We get in C's. So bye-bye to your 4.0 GPA, bro. Is there text evidence in your speech?
No!
I'm doing 100%, Ross, so if you're doing 10%, get out my way. I'm icing, hardly finding quotes, and you about to get stabbed in the eye.
Move, vocab, get out the way. Get out the way, books, get out the way. Move, vocab, get out the way. Get out the way, books, get out the way. Packets, watch out, pencils, watch out, move. Here I come, here I go. Uh-oh, don't jump, vocabs are coming.
You see them notes and PowerPoint docs? Start their speeches now. I'm up next. Hit the podium, start the time. I make the crowd boo, that's what I do.
I'm a disappointment to my family. My teachers want me to pass. True. Hold up. Wait up, Shawty. Oh, what's up? Give my grade up. What are you doing?
Reading that Edgar Allan Poe, trying to get on-demand writing done. Give me that book and take that overdue one back. Who chose these poems and short stories?
I just want to pass, but I'll never pass. You better not walk in front of my school bus.
Move, bus, get out the way. Get out the way, kid, get out the way. Move, bus, get out the way. Get out the way, kid, get out the way.
Move, bus, get out the way. Get out the way, kid, get out the way. Move, bus, get out the way. Get out the way, kid, get out the way. Too bad, I'm on the right track. Ross got the right snacks. Hit the phone, grab, dab, and read. We reading our hearts out and talking to Shakespeare.
We heard there are books out, so we checked them out. Our memoirs are popping tonight. The book club books got me crying all night.
I got an A in my debate, gonna go celebrate. I learned a lot so I can go to college. Forget the dress code, it's my clothes. We all good people.
We on the floor reading and throwing our books down. I learned the ICE and ended up in RIP. And watch out, the hands flying up, yo. 12 angry men got us angry.
Grab your book, start a book club and ruin the weekend. Move memoirs out of the way, get out of the way, books. Summer's here, so make way for that 4.0.
So,
move, Ross, get out the way. Get out the way, Ross, get out the way. Move, Ross, get out the way. Get out the way, Ross, get out the way.
we out.